Hey Firebirds, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Beckett. Welcome to another edition of Free State Today.
We have some new announcements and some reminders as well, so sit back, relax, and let's dive right in.
Do you like art or Dungeons & Dragons? Every other Tuesday this semester, Art Club and D&D Club will meet in room 213 and 211. Come improve your art skills and level up your wizards and rangers with friends and like-minded people.
Have an interest in a profession in the medical field? Come to the Pre-Med Club every Thursday in Mr. Dalton's room. Room 208 from 3:30 to 4:15 and gain valuable experience and learn about future opportunities in the field.
Reminder, seniors, local scholarship applications are now available. Local scholarship descriptions and applications are located on the Free State website under the Student Services tab. All applications are due on February 15th. Contact Mr. Conover in the Student Services if you have any local scholarship questions.
Also, today is the final day. Senior tributes or ads are your chance to use your own words and photos to remember special moments and celebrate your graduating senior. Swing by room 203 if you have any last-second questions. These are a highlight of the Free State Yearbook.
The Writing Center is open during ECT for students needing any tips and tricks on writing papers. Tuesdays are with Mr. Smith in room 304. Thursdays are with Miss Frederick in room 311. Fridays are with Miss Wolfolk in 302. Miss Johnson will be offering help in the library on Thursdays at 3:20 and 4:20.
In happier news, Monday night, the school board approved the transition from Macbooks to iPads next year as a vote 6-1 from the district's effort to save money. After this, school closures, staff reductions, and even a 4-day school week are on the table for future board meetings. It's a brave new world out there, and next couple of years will be interesting. And now over to Ashton for the weather.
Hey Free State, bundle up, but keep a t-shirt on under your jacket. This week is looking to hit the 50s, but oh me oh my, we will plummet down to the 20s for the majority of next week. Spring is right around the corner, Firebirds. Hang in there.
Thanks, Ashton. And a reminder to submit your announcements to us through the Go app, and we'll put them in next week's announcements.
Respect, responsibility, excellence. That's Free State Today. Have a great rest of your week, Firebirds. See you next time.